Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be discussing how to use Python to convert text to speech. This can be a useful tool for creating audio versions of written content, such as books or articles, as well as for creating speech-enabled applications. If you still didn't subscribe our channel, please click on subscribe channel, which doesn't take much effort. But to make like these videos it takes a lot time and effort for us. First, we will start by installing the necessary packages. We will be using the GTTS, Google Text-to-Speech, library, which can be installed by running the command pip install GTTS in your terminal. Next, we will import the GTTS library and create a variable to store the text we want to convert to speech. We can then use the GTTS function to convert the text to an audio file, specifying the language and the speed of the speech. Example code. From GTTS import GTTS. Text is equal to hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to convert text to speech using Python. TTS is equal to GTTS, text, lang is equal to n, slow is equal to false. TTS.save, output.mp3. This code will save the output audio in MP3 format. You can also use other format like WAV.arc. Finally, we can use the saved audio file and play it using Python library like SimplyAudio. Example code. From SimplyAudio import play_buffer. Wave_obj is equal to wave.open, output.mp3, r. Play_obj is equal to play_buffer, wave_obj. Readd frames, wave_obj. Get SAM width, wave_obj. Get channels, wave_obj. Get frame rate. Play_obj. Wait_done. This will play the audio file on your computer speaker. And there you have it, a simple way to convert text to speech using Python. With this method, you can easily create audio versions of written content as well as speech-enabled applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.